Do you like it wet and dry, edge to edge? And are you self-cleaning with a high capacity water tank? Then you might like the Dreametech H12 Pro. It's wet and dry and it's a vacuum. Let's open it up, take a look. Got some stuff on the top, just in case you don't know. Storage box, charging base, handle, main body, spare brush roller, cleaning brush, a replacement filter, quick installation guide. This pretty much sums up the whole idea of you don't need a manual anymore, which is nice. I think someone has to really innovate packaging at this point. I just want it to be like an iPad and open it up and be like, yep, that's it. And remember not to throw out the box just in case you have cats or kids. You got a nice big long shaft just in case. You can club people on the head with it, use it as a cane, or just go around and poke people. Just like that. You got a big bottle of goo. Straight from your mother. You can drip it inside and clean outside. Instruction manual just in case you don't know where to put the goo. I'm not sure if they're trying to give Tenneco a run for their money, or it's made in the same manufacturing facility, but looks pretty close to the Tenneco. You got your plastic for your asthma, just in case you want to double dip your chip. You take it off because you should probably take it off. Put that back, Jack. Canister for your banister. Peel off so it's real soft. Flip it around. Pretty cool. Got a roller. You got a heavy, long, thick black shaft. Kind of do weights with it. Get those arm veins going. Yeah, boy. Phone up your mom. It's a dream, except when it leaves behind the goo. Goddamn goo. Alright, pretty cool. Minimum water level of self-cleaning. If you want me to clean myself, you gotta give me some water. You got your toilet bowl cleaner or similar. Some kind of tucked in device for opening your milk bags. Tickle your fancy. Roll you over. Filter your juices. Kind of container. Another container. manual. Unless they took something out, that's it and that's all. Overall, the protocol. All right, so let's hook her up. In all seriousness, you know that EU consortium that's making Apple put USB-C in all of their stuff? They should have that same consortium go around and make sure that everyone has these on power cords built in. Like, I love that this is the new standard for a lot of these companies that are like, yep, we're doing it because, you know, we don't want our stuff to look doity. Probably the best part ever, you hold her because she's kind of heavy. You take it off. Look how beautiful that looks. You just put it all right up inside. You hold her like this, and then you just put it all up inside her. Locks in, doesn't come out, unless you really want to, several times. Dirty birdie, 7:30. A bicep curl your wife, though. Yeah, I like it like this. That looks like a gun, son. Oh man, this is pretty cool too. So on the bottom here, they got like non-slips, which are really good. I tried to drag it there. I'm not sure if you saw that, but pretty hard to drag it. And then these are always just thrown in some kind of a bin. So now you know where they've been. Even though, what you got there? Tickle your fancy? You'll bug a jug? No, that won't be there. What else goes there? I don't know. Some stuff. Your bottle of jug. Let's turn her on. Hey, Miss Roomba. Meet your new friend, the Dreametech. Dreametech's gonna be bunking up with you till tomorrow. When my wife probably wants to use it because it's superior to the Tenneco. I mean, just holding it, at least, it's super heavy. Might give it back after I reach hypertrophy. Satisfying? Charging started. Holy, you're loud, boy. Charging started, 52%. Make me some milk. All right, time to look at that quick start guide. All right, so unlike the Tenneco, the clean water tank is at the back. Well, actually, I think it is actually. I'm just not used to it. Don't use it. So clean water goes in here with a little bit of the solution. Now, word to the wise, don't put vinegar in it. There's 2 that we busted that luckily Tenneco was able to send us 2 as a replacement. But their customer service is great. I'm sure these guys are good too, but let's load it up. We got little John in here going, yay! But honestly, whoever at, this company made this thing, which is just a wet, long, slippery thing, it is so easy to put in the water. If you think about it, all these tanks that you got to fill up at the sink, this thing goes in kind of like, right in. You could like slip it in super hardcore, like if you have like low clearance, and this thing just, the angle, man, this is like revolutionary. Now I got a whole bunch of stuff on my floor, so I'm going to turn this on and get rid of it with the juice. So pretty cool screen here. Kind of looks like a flower, because you want your house to smell like a flower, don't you? It's not a touch screen, but you want to touch it. Go through the modes. What can you do?
Preparing ultra mode. Please wait for 30 seconds.
Holy shit, did they say ultra mode? What the fuck is that? That's like, this mode here kills COVID. So let's just see. It's got to prepare itself.
Ultra mode prepared.
All right, so it's alerted the neighborhood cats. So that one attracts cats. What other modes we got?
Suction mode.
Suction mode. Yes, sir.
Auto mode. Ultra mode. Suction mode. Auto mode. Ultra mode. Suction mode. Auto mode. Ultra mode.
Auto suction mode.
Powering off. Please put the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning.
Just like any woman's voice, you do exactly what they say immediately. Now clean and suck. How do you do? Oh, this right here. Right here.
Preparing ultra mode. Please wait for
No,
30
no.
seconds. Starting self-cleaning.
All right, self-cleaning mode. Thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that quick look unboxing review at the Dreametech, and see you next time.